Welcome to GDOH Health Information System, SAP ISH Med Clinical Module. In this video, we're going to show you how to capture a patient risk factors entry, and we're going to show you how to delete a patient risk factor entry. To access the patient profile, refer to the video Patient Profile Navigation. Now, to capture a risk factor, you click on risk factors under clinical information. Then it will open up a tab, maintain risk information, risk factors. Then this window is split into two sections. The first section, which is written risk factors, this is where you're able to capture risk factors. And the section onto the right is the one where you will be able to see all the cancelled risk factors that we have in the system. So I'm going to show you how to capture a risk factor. To capture one, you come under the column risk factors. Then you click on the empty field and the two little boxes will appear. You click on the two little boxes, and then it will pop up this risk factors window. So if you know the particular risk factor, you can put it under risk factor, or you can put it under short text if you know part of it. So what I'll do to reveal all the risk factors, I'll just put a star on the first field, which is risk factors. Then I click on the green tick to start searching. So what it will do, it will bring up all the risk factors that are in the system. Then all I need to do is to scroll down the list to find out the particular risk factor that that the patient has. As you can see, currently there is 147 risk factors that are in the system. Then one just needs to make sure that they choose the particular risk factor that is okay with them, or is the patient has. So now I'm just going to choose any, since this is basically for demonstration. I'm going to choose obesity as a risk factor. Then I click on the green tick or double click, whichever you're comfortable. So when I do this, put there, then I saw obesity, probably say BP as a comment there. So once I've put high BP, then I click on the floppy to save. So when I click on the floppy to save, then you'll find that the risk factors will appear there as 1. If I click on the 1, the number under risk factors on the patient dashboard header, then it will reveal the risk factor that the patient has. Now, if one wants to delete a captured risk factor, what they just need to do is to click on the risk factors under clinical information. Then it will pop up that maintain risk factor information, risk factors window. Then the first thing that they need to do is to just highlight the particular risk factor they need to delete. So by clicking in front of it, then it will be highlighted. Once it's been highlighted, then they choose this icon or button that is in the middle, the one with a little minus in a red circle, which is delete raw. So if I click on delete raw, then it will pop up this window, which is, do you want to delete risk factors? Then put the reason why we are basically deleting. So probably I'll say probably typo error, but you can put whatever reason that you want to put there. Once you have put the reason, then you click on yes. When you click on yes, then it will disappear from here. Then the risk factors that have been deleted will then appear here on this side of of the screen under the cancelled section. So all you do is after you delete it, then you click on save. And when we come back here, you see that under risk factors, it's now showing that there are no risk factors. So that is the process of how you can be able to capture and how you can be able to delete the risk factors. So we'll see you in the next video.